Hello, everyone. It's Shannon Shy. Welcome to another installment of Great Thinkers Thursday, where I stroll through history and grab a few lines from one of our great thinkers and apply it to OCD recovery. Today, our special guest is Bob Marley, the great reggae musician, singer, and songwriter. If you'll indulge me, you see I have my guitar here. I'm going to play a few verses from Three Little Birds. Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. You rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. All right. Well, I hope you were able to endure that. You know, Bob Marley's song Three Little Birds touches everybody on the planet. Such great wisdom. Um, I think it has a special meaning for people who are struggling with OCD and on their journey of recovery. When you refuse to give in to a compulsion and your anxiety is really high and the fear you feel is real and the risk it feels like you're taking feels real, it's extremely difficult to do. But we must do it. We must find a way to coach ourselves to disregard all of those danger signals that our mind and our body are sending to us. And telling yourself, hey, everything's going to be all right is one way to do it. For me, I had my own version of it. Growing up, I used the phrase, it'll be okay, all the time. When I was a kid and we lived in poverty and we had all kinds of problems. When my dear mother died unexpectedly, very quickly from cancer when I was 20 years old. And then when I was going through the turmoil of OCD and then trying to achieve OCD recovery, I would tell myself all the time, it was a go to for me. It'll be okay. It'll be okay if I don't give into this compulsion. It was my way of disregarding those danger signals, right? At the apex of anxiety and doubt, I have to tell myself, it'll be okay if I don't do this. And it was me coaching myself, taking personal responsibility for refusing to obey those danger signals. And I just had to tell myself it's going to be okay, right? So just know this, that Bob Marley is speaking to you. It will be okay. Everything is going to be all right. Keep moving forward on your journey. I know it's tough, but I'm here. I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing if I didn't believe and know that you can do this, right? I did it, and we're not different. All right. Have a great day.